The Do Your Bit Challenge gets students to test their imagination and combine creativity with digital technology. In doing so, they're tasked to solve a real-world problem, which aligns with one of the UN's Global Sustainable Development Goals. The challenge adds a social purpose to digital learning. It promotes the application of knowledge and skills to problems which arise from the community. Since its establishment, the challenge has been really well received around the world. In 2020, there was over 1,000 submissions, half of which came from females, and we also had over 50 nations involved. It's a great platform for students to share their learning, learn from others, and win some prizes along the way. Visit the Do Your Bit page on the Pakronics website to find out more information, support resources, and to register.